Do you know what happens to be one of the best products that you can sell in store or online for your business today? I'm gonna give you a hint. It's used every single day. In fact, by over 80% of Americans use it every single day, but it also fills a basic human need. In this video, we're gonna break down exactly what it is. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to the Ecom Ellis channel, where we talk about business ideas, strategy, thought process, and mindset to help you all succeed. If you're new, welcome, man. We appreciate you all tapping in. We appreciate having you, but we're gonna dive right into this gem right here that you may not be thinking about because most people really do. Ironically, most people use it all the time. We're talking about one of the best products that you can sell online today, right now, for your business. If you're looking to start your own online based e-commerce business, go ahead and click the link down below, get access to our free mentorship program so we can help guide you through this marketplace to help you all become more successful. Now, what we're talking about here, again, one of the best products on the marketplace. It's top 10 in every category, depending on what you're looking at, proven to be a necessity for over 80% of Americans. In fact, over 270 million Americans use this product every single day. And we're talking about soap, cleaning supplies, detergent, personal care, skincare. No matter which category you want to place it in, it has a need that can be filled every single day, especially cleaning supplies. As we're a couple years removed from the pandemic, you can believe that things like soap and detergent are used every single day. Again, 270 million plus Americans use it on a daily basis. It's one of the top 10 selling products if you're looking at personal care, shampoo, bath and body, or when it comes to cleaning supplies, whether it's laundry detergent or just cleaning supplies for the kitchen. Now, what are the best cleaning products? What are the best soap products that you can use to create revenue for your business? When you have a need and a want, you can create business with any type of person because they're going to decide right out the gate that they want the product. But the reason why they want the product is because they need the product. Not even because they like it, it's because they need it. People may or may not buy things that they like, but for the most part, they're always going to buy things that they need, especially if it's cheap, which soap happens to be. So again, people need it. It's very cheap, but how can you monetize it? You got to have a business platform where you have direct access to a manufacturer who helps you in the distribution process of selling soap and cleaning supplies, because again, it's essential. Basic human needs. That's a key word right there. You got to check that off the list. If it's a basic human need, you're going to be able to create business with it because people are going to use it. Does it have high utilization? Absolutely. Is it inexpensive? Absolutely. Those variables right there alone will put you in a good space in today's marketplace for you to become successful. Of course, you may need more than that, but at the very least, if your business, whether traditional or online, provides cleaning supplies, personal care products, then you're going to be in business because you're going to have recurring purchases. Another indicator right there of a good product to sell. Does it have recurring purchasing power? Answer is yes. Now you can fact check me on all this right here. We're not saying it's the number one. It can be, but is it one of the best? Absolutely. Is it one of the top 10? 100%. But personal care and cleaning supplies are always going to be in the need. People are going to need to clean themselves. They're going to need to clean their clothes. They're going to need to clean their kitchen. Okay. These are facts, especially households. Okay. The age range is wide. So from people that are in their teens to people that are in their 80s and 90s and 100s, everybody is using soap. Facilities use cleaning supplies. So it's a good way to create business with individual customers, but it's also a good way to create business with other entities that require their establishment to maintain a certain level of sanitation satisfaction. Hopefully this video added value right here. Just to recap, whether it's personal care or cleaning supplies, Soap is a common denominator. It fills a basic human need. It's utilized every single day. It has reoccurring purchasing power, very inexpensive. If you have a website or a platform that can provide that product to the masses, you're going to be in good business. If you don't have one already, you can go ahead and click the link down below, get access to our team, and we'll be able to navigate you through today's marketplace so you can become more successful.